Upriver from the Brooklyn Bridge, the city's most adventurous commuters once relied upon another steel cable structure to get them into Manhattan. The only thing holding up the Roosevelt Tramway is a pair of 2-inch diameter wire ropes. The weak point is the spot where the cables cross over the steel support towers.
Especially where the cable goes across over the saddles and at the terminals, the cable is bent back and forth as the tram goes across it. So you tend to get some fatigue loading in the cables, and that is what actually uses up the life of the cable.
In the time of humans, the cables were shifted roughly 100 feet every 5 years to keep any one point from being in contact with the towers for too long. Even though the tram hasn't moved along the cable for 100 years, wind has continued to buffet the tramway, causing stress on the wires near the towers. They snap, and the tramcar plunges 250 feet into the East River.